We made it to the green planet! It's so green! And gooey!
Green planet! Green planet!
Now we need to find the green key so we can open the big space door and take our friends home. But Dora, where do we find the green key? Who do we ask for help when we don't know which way to go? Map!
I'm the map! Dora and Boots need to find the green key. Well, I know where to find the green key. To find the green key, you need to find the king in the green palace. To get to the king in the green palace, first you need to go over the high hills. Then you need to pass Constellation Cliff. And that's how you get to the green palace to get the green key from the king. Ooh, and try to collect space gems along the way. You'll need them to make Isha's rocket ship fly. So remember, hills, cliff, green palace.
So first we go to the high hills. Vámonos! Let's go!
High hills! High hills!
Dora, look how slippery and slidey a green planet is. We can slide all the way to the high hills. Whee! Push the action button when you want to slide. Ready? Come on! Vámonos! Swiper, no swiping!
Oh, man!
Good job! You've collected 10 space gems! Hey! This may come in handy later! get to the top to get over these hills.
Uh-oh, the ground is so slippery that every time we try to walk up the hills, we just slide back down.
How will we get to the top? We need something to help us get to the top of the high hills without sliding back down. Do we have anything that can help us get to the top of the high hills? Let's check backpack. Press the action button.
Hola! Dora and Boots need something to help them get to the top of high hills. See! Dora and Boots can fly to the top with the rocket shoes. Yum, 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 yum. Delicioso!
Thanks for helping me find the rocket shoes. Now we can use rocket power to get to the top of the high hills.
Cool! Rocket shoes!
To give the rocket shoes a rocket burst, press the action button. We made it to the top of the high hills. Now we need to get across them.
We can rocket jump from hill.
Great jump! Muy bien!
Great! Muy bien! Excelente!
Thanks for helping us get across the high hills. Gracias! So we made it past the high hills. Constellation Cliff is next. Vámonos! Let's go!